I've really got to do something about this corner. Yeah, I've got 4 sticks that need to be hung up. I bought these clips that are meant to be mounted onto a wall. Pretty good, they catch them, won't fall, easy to extract, easy to insert. The only problem is that each one of these clips requires 2 separate screws to be mounted on the wall, which makes sense if you want it to stay on the wall but not move, but it doesn't make sense if you don't want to be making 8 separate holes just to hang a few broomsticks on the wall. There is actually another very good reason why you would want to attach all your sticks or broomsticks to a single device. If they are individually connected to the wall, then they have to have a certain distance from each other. But if you connect them onto a holder or a device that is perpendicular to the wall, you can have them very, very close to each other. This is a massive room saver. On top of that, I have the old house Dyson that needs to be mounted, and it's not being used because it's not mounted. It still works. So it would be great if we could mount this on the way as well. So I intend to hang this entire thing with 2 screws. Let me show you how I'm going to do it. I went and bought these 12 centimeter screws that should enable me to attach the 3 pieces of wood together, and they will also be used to connect the whole thing to the wall. But there may be an issue with catching it along the long side of the piece of wood. So if I'm going in from here, no problem, and a substantial amount of the screw will be embedded in the second piece. But if you go through the long or the 4-inch part of the plank, then you only have a small portion of the screw inside. Now, there are longer screws and I should have got them, but I didn't. So I'm going to try and use them today to connect them to each other. If it doesn't work, I'll just have to get a few more screws tomorrow and carry on. So you can feel a difference between the piece that's screwed onto the long part of the plank compared to the one that's screwed to the short part of the plank. The short one has got much more screw inside it, and so it's much sturdier, it's much more stiff, and the other one has got like a very slight wobble to it, but nothing to be worried about. Well, that's it for today. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And just to keep you updated, there are some serious projects coming up. Not that broomstick holders or illuminating your book in the middle of the night isn't a serious issue, but I'm definitely going to be raising the stakes in the next few projects, so stay tuned for that. As always, thank you for your time, and I will definitely see you on the next one.